Hi there, welcome to our Limitless vlog for this week, where we're talking about our Limitless clinics. These are one-to-one careers clinics, and you may remember it's something I spoke about right at the beginning of this year when I talked about our Limitless platform and how what we wanted to do was to launch a series of offerings for everybody to get ahead in their career, no matter where they are. And these one-to-one careers clinics are a bit different because they're very bespoke. As the name suggests, they're one-to-one, where you can come and sit with one of our professionals, and no matter where you are in your career, so you may well already be in a job that you like, but maybe you just want a promotion, or maybe you want to get that next job, maybe you completely want to change your career, whatever it is. We will go through the standard 8 steps that I created when I very first started to put these career offerings together, but they will be very exclusive to you and your particular situation. You'll see on this particular vlog one of our careers coaches, Rita Barata, talking about the sort of content that she was delivering and the things that they covered. And you'll also hear from Louis, who was somebody who actually attended a careers clinic, and he'll tell you all about how it helped him and the sorts of things we covered for him as well, and what his next steps are. It's something that I'm really excited about launching. Now, we've done loads and loads of work with young people, as you know. We've also worked a lot with mid-level professionals. But what about those individuals, who haven't been made redundant, who have got some career experience behind them, who just really want to get ahead to that next level, or maybe they've left university, highly educated, but just need some help with choosing their niche, packaging themselves up, identifying their audience, finding those interview opportunities, and then closing the sale. And not just that, but then maintaining their career afterwards and going from one step to the next. So I hope you enjoy what you see and that it inspires you. And if you feel that you're in that position where you really need some one-to-one bespoke help to get you to the next level, and as I say, that can be whether you are already in a job that you really enjoy. Obviously we would work with you totally confidentially. We would only put Louis online because he said he was happy for us to film him, so it would be totally confidential to you. It will be very bespoke. It will be exclusively about you and your situation. We will help you find that niche. We will help you package yourself up, identify your audience, get some interviews, smash the interviews, and then once you get the job, go from the next level to the next level to the next level. If you are interested and you think this could be for you, then have a look at the description below of this video. Click on the link. It will take you straight to the landing page where you can sign up and we will book you in. As I said, when I did the launch of the Limitless Manifesto back in June last year at the House of Commons, every single person has massive potential in their career, and careers advice should be for every single person, no matter where they are in their career as well. And this is again one of those offerings that I promised that we're delivering, and we're working hard on lots of other things as well. But for now, have a look at this vlog and see what you think of our careers clinic, and I really hope if it's for you, then you sign up.